So lo and behold, oh, that was how I was able to get all 5 of my suspended account back in less than 12 hours. First of all, if you lose your Instagram account, don't ever pay somebody to help you retrieve your account back. Hi guys, it's Kofo here. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is something different and quite interesting that I have to say. First of all, if you lose your Instagram account, don't ever pay somebody to help you retrieve your account back. Because most of the time, all these people, when you pay them because that's their business. So when you pay them to retrieve your account back and you're able to retrieve your account back, they are just going to keep reporting your account. So you have the same issue. You have to constantly run back to them. I have the same issue. Let's get right into it. For me, I was able to have this business account and I have personal accounts as well, which I run normally. But I don't know, because of all these bots and all this, I don't know, Instagram has been moving really, I don't know, lately. They can just decide to just suspend an account, and if you try to appeal, they are just going to disable the account. So this got me worried. At first, when I opened my first business account last year, I just, from nowhere, just got that my business account has been suspended. First thing that came to my mind was to appeal, which, because I saw the button there, so I appealed, and the next day I just got a notification that my account has been disabled. And I was wondering, this is an account that has all my customers, that has all my clients, that has all my works and it has so much information. So I was like worried. I don't know what to do. So someone told me that when next you just open another page, when another page is opened and you get your Instagram and your account gets suspended, make sure you don't appeal. Look for all those people that used to recover. There are some people that recover Instagram pages. That's their business. So I just send my details to them and pay to them and all of those. I'm like, okay. So I opened another Instagram account, and lo and behold, it wasn't even up to like 2 months. The next thing, I just saw the same thing. My account has been disabled. My account has been suspended. In my head, I'm wondering what's going on. What did I do wrong? Because I know that I've been maintaining my lane on Instagram. So I don't know what exactly is wrong. So I decided to pay someone to get my account back, and I have been all on that ever since, almost in 2 months. Every 2 months my account gets suspended. I'll go and pay, get my account back. Suspended, go and pay, get my account back. Another one that happened this year is that because for my phone, I have 4 businesses, because I have 4 businesses. So I have 4 business accounts and my personal account. This time I was on my personal account and I just saw that my account has been suspended. I was worried. I logged out of my personal account because I do not want to appeal, so that I'll go and pay. So I was worried. So I logged out from my personal account and went, automatically bring it to your business account. And I got to my business account and it's suspended as well because it was linked. What I'm trying to say is all the accounts, all 5 accounts on my phone, were suspended at the same time. And I was wondering, so because I pay okay, let me not say amount I pay. So if I'm going to go and meet the person and pay for 1 account, so I'm going to pay for 5 accounts at the same time. So I'm like, no, there's no way I'm doing this. Anyway, I went to go and pay. For the accounts getting back. And when I was able to get my account back, I got my business accounts back, but my personal account was still suspended. Then I tried it again, pay another money to get my personal account back, and my account was disabled. My personal account got disabled. That got me really furious. I was so sad. I don't know what to do. I just oh God, I was so mad because I've had this account since 2016. That is my main account. I've had this since 2016 and I was not able to get it back. So I was so sad. I was just so let me just be managing myself. I reached out to somebody that can help, because they said even if your account is disabled, you can get it back. So I reached out to somebody and they charged me 200,000 naira to get my disabled account back. I'm like, oh God, this is so much money. And there's no guarantee, and it is not full refund I'm going to get in case my account did not get back. And the person is giving me I have to wait for months. It can take 6 months before I get my account back. Oh God, I was so worried. In my head, I'm like, well, let me just leave it till maybe when I have 200,000, maybe I can do it then. For now, let me just chill. So I decided to get another phone number, get another email, and open another Instagram account just to keep up with trends and things that are going on, just to keep up with the news, keep up with the things that are going on in life, because why not? I would not want to use my business account to be doing all of those. So I opened another Instagram, and as I did that, I used the Instagram for like 3 weeks, and the next thing, this same thing, your account has been suspended, just came all over again. And again, I've always complained about why the last time when other accounts were suspended because of one, I was told that I should separate them, like I should separate I should make sure I use different phone numbers and different email, that is why they got suspended together. So I decided to separate them. But then did it help? I don't know, because when this new personal account got suspended, guess what? All my business accounts that I was able to recover back the last time, everything got suspended too. And I was like in my head, like, what's going on? I cannot just keep paying to get all of this. I don't understand. So I decided to do some researches. Like, no, I was watching videos for like straight 1 week. For like straight 2 weeks. I decided to be watching videos, researching out, because this time I just want to speak with somebody that works in Instagram, because I need to know what exactly is going on. I cannot just be paying for, I don't like this kind of thing. It's like wasting of money to me. So, and I don't have all those money to be throwing away. So I need to speak with somebody on Instagram, like what exactly is going on. I need to understand, how can I get my account back? What is going on? Because I heard there is BOT or bots, I don't know what they call them, they are just flagging accounts, they are just for no reason, they are just suspending accounts. So I need to get exactly what is going on. I need to get a grasp of what is going on. I went on LinkedIn, I went on Instagram, I checked Instagram on LinkedIn. I followed I connected, I sent connection to almost everybody that works in Instagram. I was sending them DMs. I was sending them because I was too desperate. I just needed to speak with someone, until I just found out, like, after all my researches and everything, what I found out is that I can do Instagram, since my Facebook is still active. And Instagram and Facebook, they are like in sync. They are like the same kind of brothers and sisters. No, they're like twins actually. So I decided to like buy this blue badge thing, Instagram verification badge on my Facebook. So I decided to buy verification badge on my Facebook. And how to buy verification badge on your Facebook is when you get to Facebook, you get to 1 second, let me just, I would not want to give wrong information. Yeah, when you get to your Facebook, you go to your profile. From there, you click on your profile. If you look down, you can see where there is I'll just attach it to this video here, where you can buy your Facebook verification. After getting your Facebook verification, because this verification now would enable you will make you able to speak with human beings, like humans that work in Instagram, that work in Facebook, that work in all these places, that work in Meta verification rather. So I was able to get the Meta verification. And how much did I get it in my own time? Because I think they were doing promo or something. I was able to get my Meta verification for 300 naira. 300 Nigerian naira was how much I got my verification. They said in next month I'm going to renew 4,500. And it's not a sacrifice. It's not a sacrifice that is going to, I know how much I pay to get my Instagram back every time. So I decided to pay this money, and I was able to chat with their agent via the support. I'm going to like put it in this video. I was able to get to their support. I was able to talk to their agent, and I explained my problems, my issues, and they got back to me. Like, I felt I was literally licking their ass, because I was begging out of desperation that, please, see, this is my life. My life is on the line here. This is my source of income, and it's on the line here. You guys just need to help me. This, that. So I told them, and they even like called me. I got a call, and they asked for my details, asked for some information. I gave it to them. She told me to appeal. I appealed. I was carrying her along while I was appealing. All of this, that. And lo and behold, it was up to like 12 hours. I just got an information that my account I'm back on Instagram, not on just one of my accounts, all 4. Okay, yeah, all 4 out of 5 of my accounts, I got them back on Instagram. I got myself back on Instagram. I was like, oh really? Without paying anybody? Wow, this is so interesting. But I didn't get one back, one of them. So I decided to open another ticket for that one that I didn't get back. I opened another ticket and I opened another ticket for that one and I reported the issue to What am I saying? This one did not even last hours. As I just finished appealing like this, I just got a notification in my Gmail that you are back on Instagram. So lo and behold, that was how I was able to get all 5 of my suspended account back in less than 12 hours. Gosh, I am so happy, and I decided that I'm not going to keep this information. However, I have this disabled, my personal account that was disabled, that they billed me 200,000 naira for. I'm going to get that account back. Now we are still in process of it because I just started this thing yesterday. So my disabled account, I reached out to them. I opened another ticket for that one. Let them know that my account that was disabled, they asked for my information and some things. I gave it to them and they're like, okay. I got another call again. God, why am I so excited? I got another call and I was told that they have taking my matter to the organs at the top, and those ones who are going to handle my matter, and I should just keep calm, I should relax, I'm going to get my account, I'm sorry, that I should stay positive, blah 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 blah. If this is I'm going to get my account back. I said, no problem. I'm so happy. Even today, that was yesterday. Then today, now I've gotten another heads up from them that my account is still under review. Sometimes it take days to get disabled account back. Sometimes it take days, sometimes it take like weeks. So I should just be patient. So I'm patient. When I get my disabled account back, and I've been hearing positive reviews that people get their disabled Instagram accounts back via this means. So I am carrying you guys along. When I get my disabled account back, I will be here to come and give you guys the gist of how I'm able to get my disabled Instagram. But for now, it's suspended. I'm able to get my suspended Instagram account back. I'm able to get my suspended Instagram account back, and I am just carrying you guys along. At the end of the day, when I got my suspended Instagram, my business account, the first thing I did was to buy Meta Verified, because it's 4,000 naira, 4,500 per month. It's not an investment that, I feel like it's an investment that worth it. It's just like an insurance for my account, so I will not have to be going through these issues again. So I would advise, that's why these people even got this idea, because they want money. So they want people to pay for it. That's why it is done. Most likely that's why they are just disabling people, suspending, flagging people's account anyhow, because they want people to buy that Meta Verified. Please just buy it too. Just buy the Meta Verified. That's my advice for you. See you guys in my next video, especially when I get my disabled account back. Hopefully, fingers crossed. See you guys in my next video. Bye. On another note, don't let anybody come and whine you and come and tell you that something tech was able to help me get my something tech was able to get this. These people are scammers, so don't let any scammer come and scam you and come and tell you that any tech, you can do it yourself. So do it. Bye.